Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in outdoor gear. Today, we're diving into something every lawn enthusiast needs: the best mower bagger on the market. Introducing the zero-turn mower cover with bagger attachment by Sportuli. This isn't just any cover, it's a shield against the elements, designed to keep your mower pristine year-round. Made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric, this cover means business. It's not just waterproof. It's sun-proof too, with an inner black poo coating that can take on scorching summers and freezing winters alike. Plus, it's built tough to withstand whatever nature throws at it now: rain, dust, you name it. Worried about fit? Don't be. This cover fits most decks up to 60 inches, including popular brands like Toro, Craftsman, and John Deere. It's equipped with a windproof buckle and adjustable elastic hems to keep it snug even in heavy winds. Practicality? Check. It comes with reflective stripes for nighttime visibility and an air vent to prevent moisture buildup. And guess what? A handy storage bag is included for easy stowing when not in use. With the Sportuli zero-turn mower cover, your mower becomes a fortress against sun, rain, snow, and everything in between. Protect your investment and ensure it stays in top condition year after year. That wraps up today's review. If you're ready to take your lawn care to the next level, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy mowing!